we are going to discuss the question paper that we had on Sunday. Okay, so first question says pepsin differ from the trypsin in that indigest. Okay, we had to go to that option. Okay, so first option says protein is alkaline medium in stomach. No, because in stomach acidic medium is present. So option A is wrong. Protein in acidic medium in duodenum. No, in duodenum basic medium is present. So it is not the answer. Protein in acid medium in stomach. Yes, protein used to digest, and it is like quite different from the trypsin, because pepsin is going to digest protein in stomach and in acidic condition. Okay, so option C is correct. What is option 4? The D, protein in alkaline medium in duodenum. No, option C is correct. Okay, because protein is going to convert into peptide, and in duodenum peptide converts into amino acid by trypsin. Okay, so it
Yes,
is,
sir.
yes, it is asking for pepsin. So pepsin works in stomach. Okay, in stomach in acidic medium. Okay, so option C is correct. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next question. The internal energy reserve in autotrophs in the form of starch, higher carbohydrate. Let's see what do we option. See, glycogen in case of animals, excess of glucose which is stored in animals or a human body in the form of glycogen. Protein, no, protein is not going to absorb like store food in the plant, so protein is also not there. We have starch. Starch is the option, because extra glucose which is or food which is formed during the photosynthesis reaction, that food is stored in plant in the form of starch only. Okay, not in the form of fatty acid, not in the form of protein, and glycogen is in the case of animal only. So option C will be correct. So yes, we have correct option is C. So got the answer, everyone?
Sir, animals means autotrophs. Okay. Okay.
No, autotroph means
Understood.
those, yes, all the green plants. Okay, or
Yeah.
animals are heterotrophs. Yes. Okay, next question we have. Third, large intestine in men mainly carries out absorption of water and salt. Let's see what do we have option. Absorption, yes, absorption is there. Assimilation, no, no assimilation is takes place in large intestine. Digestion of fat, no, there is no digestion takes place in large intestine. Digestion of carbohydrate, no. So option D is wrong, C is wrong, and B is also wrong. So only option A is correct. Yes, we have option A is correct. Yes. Got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next question we are going to discuss. Fourth one. Which of the following is incorrect statement? Okay, so we have to identify incorrect statement. Organism grow with time. Yes, because cell division takes place in organism, and due to which growth like height and width of the organism, maybe it is plant or animal, it is increasing. So option A is right. It makes sense. Then we have organism must repair and maintain their structure. Yes, due to it is possible due to cell division. Okay, so due to cell division, like wounds are going to heal. Okay, like internal injuries if we have in our body. Okay, so it is going to heal by the cell division only. Okay, so yes, it is also making sense. C, movement of, we have to identify incorrect. So both like 1 and 2 are correct option. Huh? Like movement of molecule does not take place among the cell. See, does not takes place mentioned here. So it is not the correct answer, because in cell, like during the digestion, or internal respiration, or we can say cellular respiration, we have glucose. Glucose first breakdowns into pyruvic acid by the glycolysis. It takes place in where? Cell only, in cytoplasm. then that like pyruvic acid enters inside the mitochondria. So there is the movement of molecule takes place. Is it or not? Is it?
Yes, sir.
So here it is saying in option C, movement of molecule does not take place among the cells. So it is the wrong. It is the incorrect option. And question is saying that which of the following is incorrect? So option C is incorrect. Okay, let's check fourth one. Energy is essential for life process. Yes, energy is very essential to perform all the life processes and for to stay alive. Okay, so all option except C are right. Only option C is incorrect. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So option C is our answer. That one is incorrect. Okay, so we are going to discuss. Have you got the answer, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we are going to discuss the next question, which is the fifth question. It says, which is the first enzyme to mix with the food in the digestive tract? Very simple. Amylase.
Amylase.
Yes,
Amylase.
because yes, when food enters in our mouth, saliva is being secreted by the salivary gland, and that saliva contain amylase and which helps in digestion process. So I think amylase is the answer. Okay, so yes, we have amylase. Option C is correct. Yes, option C is correct. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so next option we are going to discuss. Wait a second. It is the diagrammatic question. Which activity is illustrated in the diagram of an amoeba shown above? So absorption of food or intake of food, or maybe ingestion of food. That will be our answer. Okay, so let's check what do we have. Ingestion of food option first. Not digestion, not digestion, not assimilation, only ingestion of food, because food is, taking inside in the cell of amoeba by the pseudopodia of the amoeboic cell. Okay, we have discussed that in holozoic nutrition. Is it or not? Is it? Everyone, am I audible? Am I audible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You're.
Okay, so you got the answer now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we are going to discuss the next question. Which of the following are chiefly digested in stomach? Very simple. Just we have discussed protein. Like protein is being digested in stomach in acidic medium. Okay. So because digestion of carbohydrates start from mouth, it also get digested in stomach and again get digested in small intestine. Which one is? Which nutrient? Carbohydrate. But
Carbohydrate.
yes, but protein which get digested mainly or chiefly in stomach only, because in acidic medium pepsinogen converts into pepsin. That pepsin break down protein into peptide, and then that peptide breaks down into amino acid which is in stomach, which is in small intestine. But in stomach, protein converts into peptide by the pepsin. Okay, so the answer will be pepsin. Let me check question number 7. We have carbohydrate, no. Protein, see, option B is correct. Okay, option B is correct. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to discuss the 8th question. Right or wrong? Yes or no type question. Okay. So first option says question number 8. Okay. Peristaltic movement of muscles occur in mouth to push food into the alimentary canal. No, it is wrong because
sir.
peristaltic movement takes place in esophagus. Is it? And the first one is wrong. Second one, the
Sir,
release of
first one is right.
no beta.
No, sir, I had checked in Google yesterday after completion.
See what
But
it is.
it's-
What it's saying that movement of muscles occurs in mouth. So in mouth it does not take place. It takes place in esophagus. Yes, peristaltic movement takes place in esophagus, not in mouth, beta. Because in from mouth we used to swell through our will like this. Okay, so there is no peristaltic movement takes place in mouth. It takes place in esophagus, and from esophagus food is pushed into the stomach.
Okay, sir.
And here it is saying that in mouth, na? So in mouth it is does not take place. Okay, so movement of muscles occurs in mouth to push the food into alimentary canal. Okay, so here mouth is present, that's why it is not the correct answer. So it will be wrong. See, next point says the release of energy in aerobic process. Aerobic process means Krebs cycle. Okay, is less. No, in Krebs cycle, like aerobic respiration takes place, more energy is being released. So option B is also wrong. So A wrong, B wrong. So wrong, or maybe no type. Okay, let me check. So we have option D wrong. See, both are wrong. See. Okay, both are wrong. Okay, that is our answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So we are going to check the next question. I think 9th question, huh? Yes. Which of the following statement is correct? So we have to identify the correct option. First one says pyruvate can be converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide by yeast. Ethanol, carbon dioxide, yeast. Yes, it is correct one. First one is correct. Let me check second one. Fermentation takes place in aerobic. No, it just takes place in anaerobic process. So option B is wrong. Option second is wrong. No? Fermentation takes place in mitochondria. No. Fermentation does not take place in mitochondria because in mitochondria only Krebs cycle and it is the part of aerobic respiration. Okay. So option third will be wrong. Fourth one, fermentation is the form of anaerobic. Fermentation is the form of anaerobic respiration. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vida.
Yes, I am saying that yes, this is right.
Yes. So now we have two options are like first and fourth are right. Okay, 1 and 4. Let me check the options. For 1 and 4. See option number 1. Sorry, C. 1 and 4 is right. Let me check the answer. Yes, option C is correct. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very simple. Okay, now check the 10th one. Lack of oxygen in muscles often leads to cramp among the cricketers.
Yes, sir. This is right, sir.
Yes, this result is due to, see, due to like oxygen, lack of oxygen, that time anaerobic respiration takes place by the muscles, and that anaerobic respiration leads to formation of lactic acid. That pyruvic acid converts into lactic acid. Okay, so due to which like cricketers or maybe any person, if performing more work or exercise, that time like cramps can be filled by the person. Okay, So let me check what do we have option. So due to pyruvic acid converts into lactic acid, that will be our answer. So conversion of pyruvate to ethanol, no. Conversion of pyruvate to glucose, no. Non conversion of glucose to pyruvate, no. Option, no, sorry, conversion of pyruvate to lactic acid. See, lactic acid is formed in our muscles. So option D is correct. Option D is correct. Okay. Any doubt here?
Yeah, no doubt.
Okay. Next. Which of the following factor influence the photosynthesis? So here we have light, we have light, we have carbon dioxide, and we have water. Okay, all the and chlorophyll. Okay, so any like 2 or 4, like if all 4 will present, so all of the above will be the answer. Okay, let me check what options do we have. So light is the answer, carbon dioxide is again answer, and water is again answer. Methane, no. So see, answer is ABC. Light, carbon dioxide, and water. So in D option, it must be all of the above instead of methane. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it was in MCQs type question.
It is an MCQ.
Okay, but all the 3. So let me edit the question.
Sir, but we are able to take only one question.
Okay, yes, that's why I had to correct the question. Question
But
is
sir,
right.
can we rewrite the question?
Which of the following factors influence the photosynthesis? No, question is right. So light, CO2, and water. Instead of methane, we have to write all of the above. Is it? All of the above. And answer should be D. And answer should be D. Where is the answer? Save. Where is answer? Water, all of the above. Okay. So option will be D. Not water only, not carbon dioxide only, and not light. Okay, they are not indivisible, like all the 3 factors are going to affect, because carbon dioxide is also there, light is also there, and water is also there. Okay,
Sir, how can we write the question then?
all of the above.
No, means you have edited the question. Can we rewrite the question?
Question is right now. Which of the following factors influence the photosynthesis?
Okay.
Yeah, so options are like light, alone light is not there, alone carbon dioxide is not there, alone water is not there, because all the factors, okay, have to be present for the photosynthesis. That's why the answer is all of the above, all 3. Okay, so I have updated the question. Yes, let me check the same question one more time.
Sir, the question has a choice to pick how many of them are possible. So we can pick technically A, B, and C.
If
I mean,
we
before you edited it, we were able to pick A, B, and C. I got this question correct.
okay, means there was like you had to like select more than one option.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
means it was right. The question was
Yeah,
right.
it was
Yes,
right.
yes. Okay, but I have corrected that one, all of the above. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next question. Match the following type. Single matching. Match 2 columns and select the right option. Duodenum. It is a V-shaped. No, glottis. Cecum. Epiglottis is The cartilage one, cartilaginous, is it? So
There's supposed to be something else after that that doesn't make sense. A cartilaginous, that has no meaning.
that epiglottis is the cartilaginous muscle which present here, and which regulates the passage of food into the esophagus and air into windpipe. So like option 2 and C is the right match. 2 and C. Then duodenum. Opening on the windpipe, no. Small wind sac, no. So it should be V-shaped structure. See, when small intestine starts from stomach, okay. So due to presence of sphincter muscle, the shape becomes V-shaped every time. Like, let me share. New share. Where is the notes? Okay, here. See here. Here, this is the stomach. Okay, and from here, small intestine takes place. So here it makes inverted V shape. Inverted V shape. So that will be option there. Where is that question paper? How can I switch the option? Yeah, here it is. Okay, so we had 2C and 1D. Let me check the option. 2C and 1D. 1D, 1 to D, 2 to C. See, first option. We have 2 match. 1 to D and 2 to C. Okay? Understood? By making only 2 pair, we can tell the answer. Okay? So option A is correct. So 3 and B. So cecum is the small wind sac, and 4th A, glottis is the opening of the windpipe. Okay, so here we have one more important things to understand. You have to remember, opening of the windpipe is called as glottis. You have to remember that. Opening of the windpipe is called as glottis. Okay, and cecum is the small wind sac. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next 13th question. Match the group A with group B. Autotrophic nutrition, autotrophic green plant. So A and 4. Heterotrophic nutrition, deer, herbivorous. Parasitic nutrition, leech. And digestion in food vacuole in paramecium. So A is 4, B is 3. So A4B3. A4B3. Again, in first option we have A4B3. Okay, so C1 and D2. So option A is correct. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
See, parasitic nutrition like leech is present in like dirt water, and it like parasite that leech used to suck the blood. It has sucker at the proboscis region. Mouth of the leech is called as proboscis, and in proboscis region, teeth are present, and that teeth-like structure contain suckers. They used to suck blood from the host body. Okay, and leech contain like 10 collars in its stomach, and it sucks the blood till all 10 collars get filled by the blood. Okay, that's why if you will like remove that leech, it is not going to live easily. Okay, and very interesting thing is that leech is used in treatment or Ayurvedic treatment. Okay, suppose you are having headache most of the time, so that Ayurveda doctor they used to, that attach leech over here, and that leech then sucks the impure blood from your body, and you will feel relaxed, like a kind of massage you are applying on your head. You will feel like that. It's kind of therapy. It is called as leech therapy. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are going to discuss the 14th question. Trypsin is secreted by gastric gland. Amylase is secreted by saliva. Bile juice is secreted by liver, and pepsin is secreted by no, wrong. Trypsin is secreted by pancreas. Amylase is secreted by saliva. Bile juice is secreted by liver, and pepsin is secreted by gastric gland. Is it?
Yes, sir. No, it's correct.
Yes, sir.
So trypsin A, we have A1, B4, A1, B4, A1, B4. So C, we have,
So A is correct.
yes, C is bile juice, so 2, and D, yes, option A is right. The correct option is A. Let me have water. Wait a second. I'll just drink water. Okay, not an issue. So next question we are going to discuss. The 15th question. The final product of glycolysis is pyruvic acid. Huh? Is it?
Yes.
Yes. Let me drink one more time water. Wait a second. Huh? No, my voice is not become clear today. Okay, not an issue. So I think okay. So you got the answer for 15th question. The final
Yes,
product
sir.
of glycolysis is pyruvic acid or maybe pyruvate. Let me check. Glucose, no. Malic acid, no. Acetylcoenzyme A, no. Pyruvic acid. D is the option. Correct. Yes. Now, next question. Photosynthesis is, I think, the kind of reaction. Okay, let me check. Catabolic, no. Parabolic, no. Amphibolic, no. Yes, it is photochemical process because light is required there. That's why it is called as photochemical reaction. Okay, so option D is correct. Now we are going to discuss the 17th question. It says the total number of ATP molecule, only net gain. See, if net gain is there, so it will be 36 formed during the aerobic respiration. Okay, so in aerobic respiration, the net gain of ATP molecule is 36 ATP, not 38. Okay, because 2 ATP molecules are being used during the process. Okay, so option 36B, yes, B is correct. Okay, you got the answer, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question we have 18th one. The end product of respirations are, see, R is given means more than one answer we will take. So we have 3 main product of the end product of respiration. Carbon dioxide is there, water molecule is there, and ATP molecule. So let me check. Ammonia, no, ammonia is not there. Water is there, carbon dioxide is there. So both B and C. So B
Yes,
and C
sir.
means option D is correct.
Yes, both B and C.
Yes. It is not confusing, now. No,
No,
it is
sir.
not. Yes. Okay. So now we are going to discuss the 19th question, and it says the chlorophyll in photosynthesis is used for absorption of radiant energy. Okay, where radiant energy is converted into chemical energy. Okay, so let's check what are the options. Absorption of light, first is the answer. Breaking down water molecule, no. No function, no, it is wrong. Reduction of CO2, no. So absorption of light energy. Okay, it is the answer. See, first one, A is the answer, no? Is it?
Yes, sir. Absorption.
Yes. Because chlorophyll contain like stroma and grana. So in grana, when it absorb light energy, due to which that it becomes activate and then water molecule breaks down. Okay, so the main part of the chlorophyll is to absorb radiant energy coming from the sunlight. Okay, I think we have last question, the 20th one. The correct sequence of anaerobic reaction in yeast. So in yeast, that glucose break down into pyruvic acid, and then pyruvic acid, yeast is there, so it is alcohol or ethanol. Okay, and carbon dioxide. So let me check. Glucose, cytoplasm, pyruvate, mitochondria. See, mitochondria is not there, so option A is not right. Glucose, cytoplasm, pyruvate 2, cytoplasm, lactic acid. No, it is takes place in muscle cells only. It is not the part of fermentation. Glucose, cytoplasm, pyruvate, mitochondria. Again, mitochondria is not there. Lactic acid. Then glucose, cytoplasm convert into pyruvate, and pyruvate then convert into ethanol and carbon dioxide. So option D is correct, because ethanol and carbon dioxide are formed by the fermentation of yeast. Okay, so option D is correct. Okay, I think you have understood the whole session, each and every question precisely. Understood, everyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No doubt?
Sir, I have one question.
Yes.
In the question where it says net gain, how much
Yes.
net gain is there for aerobic respiration? We get 38 total ATP, right?
Yes,
Why
yes.
is it counted as only 36?
See, let me explain you in notes. Wait a second.